Hello everyone, I'm Yusuf Fanka from the EFPO team, with our product owner Dr. Masoud. I'm just making this video to show you how to set up the EForT DB for local runs on Windows. I'm making this video because the way I did it on Windows was different from my teams. They were all using Macs and they did it through Docker. I actually used Sql Server Management Studio. So that's why I'm doing this alternative way for Windows users in case they cannot do the way of the Docker. So first thing we got to do is install our requirements. So that will be, first thing you need to install the SQL Server. Here you can install it, you can download it, then install it. After that, you need to download the Sql Server Management Studio, install it and run it. Once everything is installed, run the studio. Okay, we can establish our connection. And now we have our connection. Database is empty. So now how to import our database. You can right click here, import data to your application. So this is going to look for a backpack file, which is going to be provided to us on our SQL folders for the repository. So you can browse. As you see, we're in SQL script, MS-SQL. And this is the backpack file, which contains all of our database data. Next, finish. So just in case if at any point the backpack file should be changed, this process has to be done again. You might as well go and delete the database, import it again on the same connect, can be in the same connection, and do this process again so the database is updated. Now just wait for it to finish. Okay, so looks like it's over. And as you can see, here we have our EForT database. And you can go into tables just to check, everything is there. So it looks like it works. So thank you very much. And this is how you can install, you can make a connection to the EForT database, locally running in Windows instead of using Docker. Thank you very much.